What if I told you that you could use premium features like image expand, content reference, and character references all for free with no limit? Sounds unbelievable, right? Stick around and I'll walk you through everything step by step, share some key tips along the way, and reveal the exclusive feature at the very end. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Hey everyone, welcome back to Lazy Life Hack. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I truly appreciate your support. So today we're checking out a cool new AI image generator called Piclumen. It's a super handy AI image generator that's got some great features. It launched in August 2024, and though it's not well known yet, it has some seriously amazing features. Click on Generate for free to go to the login page. Sign in using any account and you're all set. Once you log into Piclumen, the homepage might remind you of Midjourney with a similar layout. First things first, click on your profile in the bottom left corner and you'll see the usage dashboard. As of now, Piclumen doesn't have a pricing plan. You get 30 minutes of fast hours daily, resetting every 24 hours. Each image takes 0.2 to 0.5 minutes, allowing you to generate 90 to 100 images a day. If you run out of hours, don't worry, it will just slows down by a few more seconds. You can also create a new account for more fast hours. To start creating images, click Create in the left panel. Piclumen offers in-house models like Piclumen Realistic version 2, Anime version 2, and more. You can also choose the image ratio and decide how many sets of images you want to create from a single prompt generation. Simply type in your prompt, and if needed, you can enhance or translate it. When you click here, additional options appear, letting you add a negative prompt and adjust the guidance scale and steps. Click Generate and your image will be ready in no time. The models deliver decent images, though they're not as polished as some of the paid models out there. But hey, it's free. About 90% of the images in the public gallery are made using their best model, Realistic version 2. On the other hand, the Anime version 2 doesn't seem to hit the mark in terms of quality. The line art looks decent, but I'm still not sure what pony diffusion is all about. For now, I'll stick with Realistic version 2. To the left of the prompt box, you'll see an image icon. Click it to upload your own image as a reference. This is a feature you usually only get with a paid version, but it's available here for free. Once you upload your image, you can choose from 3 reference types. Content reference uses the exact pose and look from your uploaded image. For example, you'll get an image with the same pose and content. Style reference only takes the color settings and doesn't copy the pose. The result will look different but maintains similar styling. Character reference focuses only on the face of the character. It's straightforward and works well if you upload your own photo. The best feature out of this 3 is the content reference, and the only downside is that you can only use one reference at a time. There are 2 ways to upload images. The first is for image references, like we just did. The second upload is next to the Generate button, which uploads a separate individual image straight into your library. If you click on an image created by Piclumen, you'll get all the editing options at the bottom right. But if you click on an imported image, most of the features might be grayed out. This happens because the resolution of the imported image might be too large. While it doesn't specify the exact limit, I'd say sticking to a maximum of 1080 pixels should be a safe bet. Now let's talk about Remix and Vary, 2 cool editing tools that let you tweak any images. When you go to Explore, you'll see a public gallery. Click on any image and it will show you all the details behind it. Here, if you click Remix, it will let you edit the prompt, change models, or change details from the selected image. Once you're done editing, hit Generate and you'll get your own version of the image. Keep in mind, Remix is only available for images generated with Piclumen and won't be available for any imported images. As for Vary, it lets you create a new image immediately based on the one you selected. Subtle keeps most of the original image intact with a few changes, while Strong change by a lot, though it retains some of the original style. Now let's quickly cover Inpaint and Colorize. Inpaint lets you fix or change specific areas of an image. Just highlight the part you want to edit, type what you want to add or replace in the prompt, and bam, it's done. As for Colorize, you can request specific colors for certain areas by typing them into the prompt or leave it blank to let it autofill. It doesn't just add color, it also touches up the image. I'm not sure if that's exactly what we wanted though. Now it kind of looks like the son is trying to remake his late grandpa's photo. Now here's the feature I'm most excited about, the expand feature. So all you need to do is select the image, click expand, and drag the sides to stretch it. You can move the image to the sides or corners however you like. Leave the prompt blank and it will auto expand. Click submit. Boom! Instant image expansion magic. You can keep expanding on the newly extended image to add even more. However, it will stop expanding once it reaches its limit. So in conclusion, the content reference, remix and vary, and image expand are the best features in Piclumen AI image generator. With image expand being the top feature, it's an absolute goldmine for anyone who really needs it. That's all for now. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more. Drop your thoughts on Piclumen in the comments, and don't forget to check out other videos on the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.